Alright folks, thanks for joining us again for the December opening of What's in the Box, and it's the Beer52 pack this month. Just opened it up there, got the magazine out, magazine number 72. So, don't know any of the beers that's in it yet, so let's delve in. And this, I think this is a 12. It's a 12 pack, aye. So there's an extra 2 that you get in a 12 pack, which is brewed by Numbers 5 and Partisan Lemon and Thyme Saison. So you get 2 extra there in the 12 pack I get. So what's in the box first? So Red Church World Beer Awards Bronze Hoxton Stout, 5% ABV. If I got it on the right side, aye. That's the bottle. What size of bottle have we got? $3.30. So let's see what it says about it in the book. Some of them you don't get in the book. There is Hoxton Stout. With aromas toasted bread, coffee, chocolate followed by a clean taste of punch American hops gives you rich fruit notes of raisin with fig, pleasant kick of bitterness to finish. Indulge in the darkness, and at only 5% there's no need to be afraid of the dark. Where is it? Who is the dudes that make it? This Red Church, I think, is it? Hoxton Stout, brewed by Red Church Brewery, Harlow in Essex. Number 1. What we got in here now? We have Outbound Black IPA, 5%. And there it is there, and it's by Gypsy Hill. Outbound's a black IPA brewed exclusively for Beer52, a roasted toasty malt base layered with oat, rye and wheat, hopped with US classic Simcoe with Sabro supporting. A balance of vibrant tropical aromas and a roasted bittering, 5% black IPA. Good stuff. Look forward to that. The Gypsy Hill stuff I had it last time was pretty good. There's the Partisan one, there was the 12 pack. I don't know if that's Folkes much, or is it? I can't really see. I think it is. So Partisan is the extras for the 12 pack. This one is a riff of the classic pairing of beer and lemon, aka the shandy. It has a more complex aroma for the choice, beautiful expressive yeast, addition of gin. Thyme gently twists this beer into something much more grown up. Bladdy 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 blah, clear, citrusy. That's what I like. Who is the brewer? Brewed in London by Art. No. It doesn't say where. But that's Partisan Lemon and Thyme. Looks good. Nothing else under that. This one is a Big Smoke Fruju New England Pale Ale. And there it is there in the book. Okay, so Big Smoke, Esher, England, 4.9. Pale Ale, Fruju is Big Smoke's New England style pale ale with a pronounced tropical fruit and peach aromas. Plenty of oats were used to help balance out the bitterness and fluff out the body. For a smooth and hazy finish, this beer is unfiltered and unfined for maximum flavour. There's another one under that, it's a doubler that we got here. American Pale Ale, Mothership, is that? It's very hard to read. It's on the same page anyway. Mothership. London, England, 5.5. Refreshing beer pours clear, straw with a thick, creamy white head. Tropical hop aromas of pink grapefruit, papaya and passion fruit are fragrant and bright. Lightly carbonated with a light hop resin, bitterness up front. Passion fruit and papaya continuing the flavour produced balance. Easy drinking pale ale. Mothership.beer. So there's a website you can go into there for that one. Put these back on. Boiled by numbers 5. Here we go there. So, number 5 IPA. Soft and rounded malt profile allows the complexity of Simcoe hops to shine, expressing bold flavours of passion fruit and juicy orange alongside a piney and dry finish. Brewed by Numbers House Ale, yeast provides a soft and hazy profile, with oats providing body and balance. Sounds good. What we got here? The Text Me When You're Home IPA. Text Me When You're Home. Quite a radical name. There it is there. It's Mothership. Again. Mothership, yep, that's right. So, 6% IPA, tropical fruit notes hit you as soon as you crack the can and pour it lightly hazed straw yellow with a thick rocky white head. Sharp, ripe pineapple graces your nose, followed by grapefruit and juicy mango. Lightly carved, blah blah blah, pineapple and pink grapefruit. So there we go. That's Text Me When You're Home. Back to the Mothership. My Snacker Jacks in there as well. So what's this one we've got? We have a Gypsy Hill Inbound Cold IPA 5%. Let's see if I can think that was on the other page I passed. Outbound Gypsy Hill 5%. Outbound is a black IPA. Is that the one I've already done? I've already done the black IPA one. It's the cold IPA we're on. Inbound, there we go. 5%. Inbound is a cold IPA brewed exclusively for Beer52 again. It's an ale lager hybrid, fermented with lager yeast at a warmer temperature, elevating the hop aromas of Mosaic and Simcoe, and it's crispy and citrusy with light earthly bitterness. 'Tis what we like on this channel. 4 pure Bermondsey oatmeal stout, rich and chocolatey. Now you are talking. Now you are talking, man. It's a black one, so there's another 4 pure here. 4 pure oatmeal stout. London, England, 5.1 ABV. Pours opaque black with thick espresso-like foam, rich flavours of chocolate or roasted coffee, balanced by caramel sweetness, a medium full body due to the generous amounts of oats in the grist, a satisfyingly long roasted finish, and it noses chocolate, coffee and caramel. Yeah. Yeah. Brewed by Number 11 Session IPA. Next. It's a bit sticky that can, there's been a spill somewhere. There's been a spillage. Number 11 Session IPA 4.2. All the hop character of an IPA in a low ABV beer. Mosaic hops take centre stage in this recipe. Juicy, full bodied, and sessionable. Number 11. Two more. Thirsty burgers. I quite like a wee can of normal Guinness. None of that draft crap. Right, what we got here? Powerhouse Porter, 4.9. Sam Brooks Brewery, London's oldest independent brewery. Right, no, that's minuscule, so I'll refer to the book. I lost my page because it's shut on me. Powerhouse Porter is a classic example of a London-style porter. Rich with dark chocolate aromas of coffee and smoke and a smooth toasted finish. Best enjoyed with winter stews, oysters, or a decadent chocolate dessert. That one sounds good. Powerhouse Porter. There we go. Okay, and last but not least, it's the Polar Ice Walls Wild Card Brewery. Polar ice walls are a vast geographical phenomenon that surround the flat Earth. Now we are talking. Without these walls, the oceans would drain from the face of the... Well, they wouldn't. We'd get drowned from outside, the land that's outside in the water. Anyway, that's for another video. Polar ice walls, or Antarctica as they call it. Right, juicy pale ale, mashed in hot with pale malt and a blend of oats. Citra leaf cascade added to the whirlpool at the end of the boil, then fermented with a specially selected yeast for a high gravity. See, there's no gravity on a flat earth. These have made an arse of that one. Sweet finish. Dry hopped with Cryo, Simcoe and Cryo Mosaic hops, so it sounds good. It sounds good indeed, folkies. It's only 4%, but there you go, that's flat earth beer. But 4% will not be flat on the earth after drinking it, that's for sure. And obviously you get a couple of these snacks included in these things. These ones are a wee bit beaten up and bashed. With not a lot on it. Rosemary Crosslini cracker. And they're a bit kind of crumbly. Then we get corn sticks, cheddar cheese, indulge. Hashtag indulge. Cheddar cheese flavour, just like chips, French fries. Vegan, nut free, gluten free. And that, folks, concludes the December box, the 12 pack from Beer52. And incidentally, the magazine's quite interesting as well, because it gives you a story on all the breweries that you've got with the beer. Wee bit about cooking. Photographs of, there's your brew by numbers, stuff there, an event, Hamilton Brewery take. It's quite interesting. And that's number 72. This is a London based one. You get themes every month. And this is the London one this month. London's Minecraft beer scene continues to stand tall. Well, folks, you'll see these beers again at some point when they're getting in my belly. Alright, so that's December's What's in the Box. Thanks for joining us. Get you again soon. Bye bye.